one of the biggest problems with starting a side hustle is that sometimes it could take a while for it to start to generate any kind of sustainable income. And it's not uncommon for you to invest time over months or even a couple of years before that income grows into anything meaningful. But in the meantime, you've still got bills to pay. So having a 9-to-5 which brings in a guaranteed income is absolutely crucial. But one of the biggest factors around having a 9-to-5 which has allowed me to invest time into my side hustles is the ability to do my 9-to-5 completely remotely. It allows you to earn that guaranteed income while reinvesting that time you're saving in commuting to a job into your health or into making more money. And in the UK and the USA, since the pandemic, more and more companies are offering this opportunity. So if you want to know some of the best companies that offers the ability to work completely remotely, then keep watching this video. Now, the first company is Monzo. This is a fintech company based in London, but they have operations across the globe. They offer a wide range of jobs across their company with roles in customer service, HR, technology, which can all be done completely from home. Now, here is a customer service role based in the UK, which can be done completely remotely on a salary of up to £32,000 a year. Plus, it states right here on their website that your hours can be flexible because they trust that you will work the hours you need to get your job done. And as you can see, there are all sorts of different jobs on here which are all offering the ability to work completely remotely. And it says right here on their career website as well that they will make sure you have all the necessary equipment to ensure that you can get your job done. So Toptal is a global company with offices in the UK and the USA, which allows companies to hire from their network of highly skilled freelancers of developers, designers, project managers, and so on. If you're a freelancer and you want to connect and work with some of the largest companies in the world, then you may want to register your services with a company like Toptal. But today, what I want to talk to you about is the opportunities that are based directly with Toptal, because you can work for them as an employee directly from home. The company claims to have the largest remote-based workforce in the world. And among the benefits on their career website is the ability to work completely remotely. All you need is a laptop with an internet connection. There are a number of roles on their website like this one here, which are all completely remote. And as you can see, many of these roles are based internationally. So you can apply from anywhere in the world. However, there are many other roles on here which are based in the US. And while you can work remotely, you may need to check that you have the right to work in that country. Now look, we want to grow this channel so that we can continue to make videos like this. So please subscribe. Subscribing is free and it's the only favor that I ask of you. Now, Octopus Energy is consistently voted as one of the top UK companies to work for. And with perks like unlimited holidays, I can definitely see why. Now, they are very big on flexible working and allowing its staff to work from anywhere. They operate in 10 different countries, including the US, Japan, and New Zealand. So you do not necessarily have to be based in the UK to work for a company like Octopus. The company has roles covering a number of areas in tech, engineering, operations, HR, you name it, and they are all hiring remotely. So if you want to work for a company like Octopus, make sure you're checking out their career website regularly. Some of the perks may even include some discounts on your energy bill. Of course, I've just made that up. That is certainly not true. Now, I'm going to guess you've never heard of the company Automatic, and I'm not talking about the type of car here. I am talking about the company which provides a content management platform for some of the largest companies across the world. Automatic is the company behind the content management platform called WordPress. I am sure you've heard of them. Now, they are a global company who says working for them is not your typical work from home job, because for them, working from home means working from anywhere. The company has a global workforce spanning 90 countries, and according to their career website, they have global meetups yearly. Now, Automatic has jobs literally covering everything. To apply for roles in engineering, marketing, sales, HR, design, you name it, just submit an application through their career website. Now, I know you've heard about the food delivery app called Deliveroo. You can place an order on their app from your favorite Chinese, Indian, or Jamaican takeaway, and someone who works at Deliveroo turns up at your door with your food. So you might be thinking, delivering food to somebody else's house isn't really my idea of working from home. But let me explain, let me land. You see, delivering food for Deliveroo is more of a side hustle, and in my opinion, it's not a very good one. But Deliveroo offers a range of jobs, either hybrid or completely remote, which can be done directly with the company. Now, at the time of recording this video, there were only 2 roles here on Deliveroo's website, which were tagged as completely remote. However, during my research for this video, I've seen many other roles in the UK which were also working from home. So make sure you keep checking their careers page for the latest jobs. Now, Zapier is a business process automation company which allows companies to integrate data from one software application to another. So for example, if you're using a marketing software like HubSpot and you want to pull data from that application into your CRM like Microsoft Dynamics or Salesforce, then Zapier has a solution which makes this really easy. Now, the company says working for them operates on a remote first basis only, as they believe that this provides the flexibility for their employees, allowing them to work in their own time and to work from anywhere. All you have to do is to go to their careers website and see if one of the many roles posted there matches with your skill set, and then just apply. Now, one of the cool things about this website which I liked was that if you couldn't find a role under a particular job function that you liked, you could complete this general interest form and you would submit your CV along with your LinkedIn profile. And if a role comes up which matches your skill set, I reckon somebody from their HR team will contact you. Now, the form even asks you which country do you want to work from, so make sure that you have the right to work in that country that you choose. So there's a company in the United States called Hal Scout, and they've been allowing employees to work from home for over a decade. So this is not something that has happened since the pandemic. They are a software as a service company, which basically means they create software and sell it to businesses, and they also provide the platform that runs that software. That is what software as a service means, or you might hear some people calling it SaaS. Now, the company hires people from anywhere in the world. So whether you live in the UK, Nigeria, or even the North Pole, all you need to do is to ensure your regular working hours overlaps between the hours of 8 and 12 p.m. within the United States Eastern Time Zone. All of their roles are completely remote, and you can view their openings on the career website with the salary information here as well. There's even a form here where you can submit your CV to hear about future roles. Now, I'm going to talk to you about being a virtual assistant, and there are 2 companies in the UK that provides this. The first one is a company called Virtalent. Now, they provide virtual assistant services to customers. So you'll be doing things like diary management, event management, inbox management, and other general admin functions. Now, to work for Virtalent, you must be based in the UK. So forget about jetting off to Dubai or Bali for this one. The contract you will sign also states you will work with Virtalent as a freelancer, so there won't be any sickness or holiday pay with this one. However, the company says you will have complete control over your schedule, and according to Glassdoor.com, VAs here will earn anywhere up to about £30,000 per year. Most of the people who have worked for this company have generally provided very positive feedback about working here, and as you can see here, there's a lot of positives and no cons. So if you want to work for Virtalent, check out their career website. I'll post a link to it below in the description. Now, the other VA company that I want to tell you about is also based in the UK, and they're called Time Etc. Now, they also score really well according to Glassdoor. There's a lot of positive feedback here as well. However, the salary does come in lower than unfair talent. Now, on average, a VA here will earn about £25,000 per year. However, Time Etc. regularly hires people to work directly with them in their corporate offices, and you can do this remotely or hybrid, and you can help them to look after their clients like Facebook, Google, or Virgin. Or of course, we are talking about working as a VA here, so you can apply to work with them as a virtual assistant by applying through their website. I'll make sure I post a link below to their website as well. Now look, thank you for watching and thank you for sticking with me through this video. I've also made a video about the best freelancing skills to learn this year. I think you will find that interesting as well. Make sure you go and watch that video. Now do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It's the only thing I ask.